Ohola ubufakazi kulesicawu Advocate Dali Mpofu udalule imali esikhokhele wonke amathimba abameli bomvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe. uAdvocate Dali Mpofu kuvele ukuthi usethole ngaphezulu kwezigidi ezili-13 zamarandi ngokumela uMkhwebane. Mpofu bengenemeneze ngokudalulwa kwalokho kanye nokudalulwa kwamagama abameli. Wafuna ukuthi isikhulu sehhovisi lezomthetho ehhovisini lomvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Niels van der Merwe lixolise. Lokhu njengoba bekwenziwe iphutha ngesamba semali obekuthiwa tholwe abanye abameli.
Are you prepared to apologize for the errors that were apologized for by Advocate Bauer to the extent that they negatively affect the people in respect of whom those errors have caused the consternation?
I apologize just for the errors, the fact that we made errors. You are attributing certain consequences and implications to my evidence by means of statements, which I may or may not foresee or may not arrive there from. I take responsibility for my evidence, and to the extent of having complied with what was required and requested of me to do this committee, to assist the committee. As far as the effect of my evidence is on anybody, I mean, what we produce or try and do here is to present the truth and accurate information to the committee. I cannot apologize for that.
uAdvocate Mpofu uthi bahlose ukubiza usotswebhu weDA uNatasha Mazoni njengofakazi ukuze azochaza ngokuthi wayichaza ukuthini mayethi kusashazwe imali ekukhokheleni abameli bomvikeli womphakathi. Lesiccawu siyaqhubeka.